Good day everyone, my name is Makinde Olumide of Universal Stars Kennels, Lagos. I'm here to show you how to feed your puppies. You need a syringe. This particular syringe is 60 ml syringe. It's reusable after sterilization. Then the tube is a catheter. They are being sold as a single unit, although you can get the syringe separately and also the tube separately. This is the puppy that I want you to feed for you. When you want to feed, you must know the length to which this tube can go in and it will not cause any damage. Where the last rib of the puppy is, that's where the stomach is. You understand? So how do you measure it? You measure it from the tip of the nose, down to the last rib. So this is how far you can push the tube into the puppy. Some people, they use a tape to mark the particular place, or a marker to mark the particular length, but I've mastered it so much that I don't bother to use tape. I only hold that particular place with my hand, with my fingers. This is our formula. It has been mixed already. So I want to take out 60 milliliters rather. 60 millimeters. So this is 60 milliliter, the full capacity of the syringe. So I'm going to fix it on the tube, which is otherwise called a catheter. Having done that, remember I've measured the length where the thing is initially, but I need to measure it again because I'm feeding the puppy now. So I want to measure the length where the tube can go. You know, initially I measured it just to show you, but now I want to do it since I don't use a tape to mark it. Even using a tape is not that easy because some puppies can be bigger than the other. It means you have to be marking and remarking according to each puppy. So I've measured my own from the tip of the nose down to the last rib here. I'm feeling the rib here. I'm feeling it. This is the rib, the last rib there. So I will dip the catheter or tube, as you may want to call it, inside the formula. So I will open the puppy's mouth. I've placed the catheter on the tongue. Is going in, the puppy is swallowing. I'm not pushing it, the puppy is swallowing it. So I want to push in the formula. I want to push in, tell me. Done. We are done. Very fast. You can see the puppy is relaxing. It has got a stomach feel. Now, once you are feeding your puppy and you see that, you know, I use term, once you feel the tummy of the puppy that is big enough, just stop. Some puppies can take 20 meals. When you see that it add a little, just stop and leave it like that. Don't overfeed. Then a lot of people, they say that when they are putting the tube inside the stomach of the puppy, that they mistakenly pass it through the wrong direction, it goes into the lungs. That's why some people recommend that you attach the catheter to the another syringe that has water inside, that you can press water in once the puppy cough is in a wrong direction. I don't do that. It's not easy. The puppy will be wriggling, struggling, so you can't just put it there and think that the thing will stay without you still holding the tube. So that's my own method that I've shown you there. You can go back and wash it again. I just put it on the tongue of the puppy, and the puppy starts suckling, crawl on it, and push it in further into the stomach. I didn't force it inside. It went smoothly inside. That's the purpose of dipping it in the formula. Like I did before that, I put it in this formula and I put it in the mouth of the puppy. Thank you very much for watching. We thank you for your support all the years. We promise that you'll be getting more video from us. It will be on a weekly basis. Kindly follow us on our social media handles: Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook at Universal Stars. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much as you do so.